Hello everyone, welcome to the Landscape Architecture Application tutorial. To start, please have your school account Google Drive open. You will then press the New sign in the top left corner, clicking the top option to create a new folder. You will then title the folder LDA Application followed by your first and last name. Once you click Create, it should then pop up as a new folder in your drive. Then, to share it with the application viewers, please open that file and click on the drop-down at the top. Then click the Share button. Click the Share button again. Then where it says Restricted under General Access, you will then change it to UC Davis so anyone with the UC Davis email can access this folder. Next, we're going to go to where all of your work samples are located in your drive, and we're going to rename them with your first and last name, followed by work sample and the number it is. So first name, last name, work sample number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Then to put these into the folder, you're going to click the three dots in the top right of the file, then organize, then move, and then you're going to find the new folder that you just created for the LDA application. So you're going to move that there. You can also select all of them and click and drag, or select them individually and click and drag into the folder if they're located in a way that you can do that. Next, you're going to go back to Share, and you're going to copy the link, making sure it says anyone in the UC Davis group can access the folder. So copy that link, and then when you're filling out your LDA application, you will fill everything out, your email, full name, ID number, your major, all of these questions, fill them out. And then once you go to the statement of purpose and work samples, you're going to write your statement of purpose. You can either type it directly in or type it into a document and copy and paste it in. But yeah, have the writing there. And then for the work sample folder, you're going to paste in that link that you just copied. And then there's an optional statement on extenuating circumstances that you can write in directly or once again copy and paste it there. Finally, when you're done, click submit. Thank you.